Students, today we are going to discuss a second colligative property, that is elevation in boiling point, which means increase in the boiling point. So students, elevation in boiling point or ebullioscopy, it is also called as ebullioscopy, or in common terms we can also call it as increase in the boiling point. So first of all, the meaning of boiling point. The boiling point is the temperature when the liquid changes to vapor form. That temperature is called as a boiling point. Now question is, when the liquid begins to boil? The liquid begins to boil when the vapor pressure of the liquid is equal to atmospheric pressure. When the vapor pressure of the liquid is equal to atmospheric pressure, then the liquid begins to boil. So when you add a non-volatile solute to the solvent, then you can find there is an increase in the boiling point. So whenever you add a non-volatile solute to the solvent boiling point is going to increase. So imagine the boiling point of pure water. The boiling point of pure water, as we know, it is 100 degrees Celsius. Now to this water, if you add 5 grams or 1 gram, consider 5 grams of salt, sodium chloride, so that becomes a solution. So after adding 5 grams of sodium chloride into a particular volume of water, the boiling point is going to increase. Maybe it is 102 degrees Celsius. So you can find there is an increase in the boiling point whenever you add a non-volatile solute to the solvent. So that elevation in the boiling point, how much temperature has been increased, how much boiling point has been increased, that is called as elevation in boiling point, that is represented by delta TB, and that can be calculated with a formula TB minus T naught B. So here TB is the boiling point of solution after adding non-volatile solute, and T naught B is the boiling point of pure water or pure solvent. I'll repeat, T naught B is the boiling point of pure solvent and TB is the boiling point of solution. So the difference between this is considered as elevation in boiling point, that is delta TB. And always remember, as this delta TB, elevation in boiling point, is a colligative property that depends on the number of solute you added. So that's why it is directly proportional to M. Here M is molality. M is molality. M is molality. So delta TB is directly proportional to molality. Now the proportionality symbol I can consider as delta TB is equal to Kb into M. Kb into M. Here Kb is a constant that is called as molar elevation constant or ebullioscopic constant. Ebullioscopic constant. So the constant unit is Kelvin kg per mole. Kelvin kg per mole is the unit of ebullioscopic constant Kb or molar elevation constant Kb. Now we know the formula of molality that we are going to substitute here. So we will get delta TB is equal to Kb into Wb into 1000 divided by Mb into Wa. So this is the formula to calculate molality that I have substituted in the formula. So where delta TB is the elevation in boiling point, increase in the boiling point after adding non-volatile solute. Kb is ebullioscopic constant. Wb is the mass of the solute. Mb is molar mass of the solute, and Wa is the mass of solvent. Now usually in the exams they'll ask us to find out the molar mass of solute. So when I take molar mass of the solute this side, Mb is equal to, then the formula will be Kb, ebullioscopic constant Kb into Wb, mass of solute, into 1000 divided by delta TB into WA. WA is the mass of the solvent. The same concept, elevation in boiling point, if graphically if you want to represent, then take temperature in one axis and vapor pressure in another axis. As I said, the liquid begins to boil when the vapor pressure is equal to atmospheric pressure. Consider this as an atmospheric pressure. So when the vapor pressure of the solvent is equal to atmospheric pressure, that time the liquid begins to boil. So now imagine at this particular temperature, we can consider as T0 B, means the boiling point of pure solvent. So I am considered here as the boiling point of pure solvent. Boiling point of pure solvent. Now after adding a non-volatile solute, means the solution boiling point will increase, that I am going to write here. So consider this is TB, which means the boiling point of solution. So this is the boiling point of solution. Now whatever the difference comes is called as delta TB, elevation in the boiling point, that we can calculate with the formula TB minus TB naught.
बाद में फिर क्या बोल लेते हैं